It would be useful to know, like, is our theory right?
And we've actually made an impact.
Reassure them that they can do this on their own.
Break down the fear that a lot of adults feel.
To do that, we need to just understand the issues first.
First of all, they gave me a little tablet. I got a free tablet, yeah, and I have my own email, and I feel I'm good, like everybody else, like all the young people. As I'm telling my children, I can do it too.
Being 83 years old, I can't learn things as well or as quickly as I used to, so that they adjust to my shortcomings. They're the best people I've ever had, really.
This place is the one that brought me to the 21st century, and I'm so grateful to them.
Sometimes you're reading something and you don't know if it's true or not. That's really worrying, you know.
Not to trust everything you see.
Yeah.
To ask questions about things that you read and you look at.
Because it might be fake news, you never know.
More and more services are moving online, so people can't access the services that they need to participate in life.
You know how risky the online space can be for anybody, but there's an added vulnerability then for young people with learning disabilities, and then fear for their families around the exploitation that they could face or the added risk of harm.
It's also about equal opportunity.
Yeah.
It's about providing that platform so that people with learning disabilities aren't excluded from any area of the digital world.
Media literacy is vital in the context for the autistic community. Being able to discern what's real and isn't real, to determine nefarious intent.
We really want to empower the disabled and older people in the villages to be able to thrive online, to know where information comes from, to give them skills which have just been for some of our clients absolutely life-changing.
The banking systems have all changed and everything's went online and everything, then COVID. So in effect I've been living in a bubble because I'm financially secure, so the outside world didn't really affect me. But now that I've had to join the outside world, I didn't know how to.
Emerging from COVID and from lockdown, we find that the older generation feel forced into becoming digital users, and what we hope to do is to help them to do that safely, confidently and in a friendly way.
No, it's like the job centre said that you can go in there and use their computers, but unless you know how to do it, you can't, because they don't sit and talk you through, do they?
They're always just too busy. Too busy, now we can't help you. So otherwise you go to their chair and they help you straight away.
This programme really does give us an opportunity to help and support families to realise the internet's not all bad. There is a lot of benefits to it and there's a lot of good within it if you know how to navigate it safely and manage it safely.
The funding we've got from Ofcom has been fantastic because we're working with older people through that funding stream. To get that reach is absolutely fantastic, and we'll be working across Northern Ireland, which it's just brilliant. It's brilliant.
This is a hot topic, something in the youth sector that we may not have the right skills to have done in the past, so we want to learn ourselves.
This is the opportunity for us to bring it outside of the classroom, into community settings, and the funding and support from Ofcom is what is allowing us to do that.
The support from Ofcom has been invaluable. It's helped us to develop evaluation techniques that will help carry our organisation forward and help us to reach more people.